We'll guide you through how to fix iPhone apps not downloading. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. iPhone apps not downloading can be a really annoying problem, perhaps trying to go and get a game or an important app for your work. So we're going to guide you through some different fixes you can try to go and resolve this problem, and so apps will go and start downloading again on your iPhone. So to go and start fixing this, you can be in the App Store if you aren't already. Go and open it up. So first of all, we're going to try restarting the App Store, as often this will go and resolve problems. So what you can do is go and swipe up on it from the bottom slowly so it doesn't fully close, and then you want to go and swipe up on it from the app switcher. Then you can go and open it again. Sometimes doing a simple restart like this can go and resolve the problem. If you're finding that apps still won't go and download, try doing it now. What we're going to do is go and drag down in the top right of the iPhone on the battery. You want to go and find the airplane button and go and tap on it. This then goes and activates it. And the next you want to do is go and tap it again after a few seconds, just to go and then reconnect everything. Often doing this can resolve problems, and what's worth doing is then restarting the App Store as well again, and then go and see if apps will go and download. If you're still finding they won't, what you can do is go and open up the settings app like so. Then you want to come to the top and find your name here, go and tap on it. You want to scroll down and find media and purchases, and you can tap there. Then what you can do is press sign out, and we can go and sign out of the App Store like so. And what you can then do is just go and open up the App Store, make sure it then goes and registers. And you can then come and return to your settings and press media and purchases again. And then you can go and press continue and go and sign back in with your Apple ID account. Go and wait for this to process. And then what you can do is you can go and close them both, reopen it, and you can then go and see if the app will go and download. Hopefully it will. If you're still finding it won't, it's worth doing a forced restart, as often this can go and refresh things and go and resolve the problem. To do that, press the volume increase button, then decrease button, and we're going to tap and hold the side power button. We'll guide you through this step by step, so go and press volume increase, then decrease, and tap and hold the side power button. You'll see this screen here, but just go and keep it held down. Shortly, the phone screen is going to go black, and then what you need to do is keep the button held down. You're only going to go and release it when you go and see the Apple icon, which shouldn't be too much longer. As you can see, there it is. You can then release it and it's now starting again. So go and be patient. When it comes back on, we can then go and unlock it. And then what you want to try doing is going back to the App Store and downloading an app. And hopefully now they're going to go and download and you can go and get them onto your device. That's it. If you found this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video.